nyini kwa ya nim no na se obema de enso ne yewu erisa wa wo me
oberema ye onyankopon abodia edikan.
Okay.
Onyankopon bo oberema se ne seso na ne subanso enti enipa ewo onyame mu no odebi wura onipam.
Okay.
Enti no oberema bia no eye onyankopon enipa wapa ne se omesi na nemu asase so. Enti se oberema entumi anya na sadi ya na je se watoto ne nyame ase.
Okay.
Nyame de na chijao.
Okay.
Oberema.
Okay.
Enti se eno na ye merema na ye hwe. Na bibia mo no yetu hwana mo.
Okay.
Onyankopon no ye yenti. Ena saranso na oberema nso ye ebusuaniti.
Okay.
Obia anase ne yere ene ne ma ehye nase. Enti asudie bia onyankopon pese anka ono abeya manipan. Oshira Adam ene ne yere.
Okay.
No kachiro nse won wo na wonore won sha sase so ma. Sa nshira no enso de asudie kase ebai.
Okay.
Na enu sa asudie ne merima na abeto won so kase.
Right.
Ye kase obra ohwe eyoko.
Obra yoko. Okay.
Yes. Na so merima na asudi kase na eda won so. Okono nyina won so na etwere. Se won na sese ehwe na wo chechire abusua no. Se no Nyankopon pe. Nte merima de yang asede ne yakase. Nyankopon ama yang asede kase. Na ne fa bi nso no oberema nso eye onipa. Ne fa bi san na wa mana nyonyam say.
Okay.
So now the ni manyina shanase.
Okay.
Onyankopon hyehyɛ yen wo kwan bi so a na ise akakra ni Onyankopon na yepe.
Wow.
Ade a nsuso no yɛda yɛn ni Onyankopon tam so Onyankopon onimade nyina.
Okay.
Onyankopon wo tumi nyina.
Okay.
Ana wo mmea ahoro nyina prekope.
Okay.
Na mo ni aka nyina no Onyankopon ne yɛnhyɛ. Eche. Senia oye yang senia ye no ye ni din benantew.
Okay.
Na ya reflect ni majesty. Na ni onyam ni tumi.
Ne mudro no so.
Mudro no. Sa pepe no Yakopon hye ma ye merima.
Wow.
So also to be able to express character of God, the character of God, or be his direct representation on earth. Ibisi Onyankopon anemu was a tremo. Naturally say so be hwehwe Onyankopon na ohun na so
hu be ma so hu so
yes.
Onyankopon na we dey say hu be ma ni bia na ye hu bonsa mo.
Ai and so the Onyankopon ye nhye eche na nyonyam said to enjoy his provision on earth.
Okay.
Without lacking anything that pertains to life.
Wow. Wow.
Eniema Onyankopon bo ma asase so nyina no. Yeng nipa nti Onyankopon ye. Wo hwe edin trom ha. Odi Adam ne yere kotra ho na. A large estate.
Okay.
Bibia wo ho. Onipa Onyankopon pese onipa bebre.
Okay.
Esa ne se osi waboyen se ni suban ni seso. Inti Onyankopon edoyen. Na ohun yen sie. Asma mekan no Romans 8:22.
Romans 8:22.
Osi for whom he foreknew, he also predestined to conform to the image of his son, that he might be the firstborn among many brethren.
That's right.
That's the power.
That's right.
Inti Onyankopon na ba we mu. Na you come from work as a father and you just call mommy, I'm hungry.
Make me food.
And food is served. Inti no, he sees life as simple as that, as easy
Jesus.
as that. And that sounds my earlier friend saying opinion about a man.
Right.
So asema you can say.
Right.
To be a man. Yeah, I guess to be a man now wow. It's something be brave. In fact, baby, I mean me fino. Me papa you could focus pa.
Right.
Obeye regional chief farmer, Eastern region.
Okay.
And ni kwa yo ne koko kuafo. Enu echi no santo koko. And enu echi no nso owo transport aye adwuma de man.
Right.
Osan so wo into poultry farming. And owo shop back bi a eton ni provisions ni alcoholic beverages de man. To no kwase many fee no and papa you for the down.
Wow.
Life was so good.
Right.
Say at Rebina say oversupply or friend saying poultry products at my restaurant ebony was second her.
Okay.
Or the entrance came.
Oh.
No the number. Obi or tear crowd.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
You should see prawn.
Wow.
Class I can see no use.
Wow.
Well, Intino say, oh, say if you wanna. Who say, or brandy ye mirror.
Right.
To send a copy, a kind.
Right.
Inti, no cost a minute, may who that. Papa, the end by Kruma. Or to me, or you know, you know, Sandy and Uko, Lenants, those days.
Okay.
And I say, Bata, no, I got to near my here, dear my. Na sitting pano was he was not struggling. No, was omre.
Omre, be a court.
Yes, in the year. No more basa those days, me many fee no not basa no. But Nema year around 27. Wow. The last count year kind first time na year 27 be brave 15 day.
Wow.
Didn't year Dawson. And so no many dependents, farmers na don't say. And he took life so easy.
Wow.
Intino say wo say few hona. Ebeya will say bribia ye mirror.
Mirror.
Nemum me ba na metinkran ha akwama na me kom papa nchen wo village me ba bedu ma me ha ena me hu say meti sa asem na se say to be a man
now wow
yeah dear ding me hu say my mother was struggling.
Wow
Esan say na dwumo ye nyina achi no san ye niema bebrede ka ho na ekoba na sa pa na utumi hu say na katua enso no.
Right.
Dina so yibi ka ho. Nti ho na menya sa a signs of this asema yekase to be a man is difficult, no.
Right.
Life is struggle. Ho na me catch them who say enya dia me hide and that. So na me tell ma me obre oditi ni boyero mu de show me and afei nso odi achichire ufika kra esese yetenam. It is hard and also the asudi kasi beto
so you can stay there.
No. You say metrami mami ho na de ba kwa mami ya mi really fit that and he said na ne fie no ye 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
The one ye hall and chamber na me was single room.
Right.
Na oye na adwene say baby ono no wo no say me ware a o de hon be mami.
Okay.
It me worry pet no 2 feet on only hall and chamber anymore. No ba single room. Nana was if you know be share single room no they make koko share.
Wow.
Yes. Now me catch them say it's as a market say me per se me hide identity. Me bon modern she share or dying answer na me worry.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Me bon modern 2 sana mo na say yes. And me ye could do baby na baby or dying one. Say me ni car me ntumi nkotra.
Enko.
Nti no me jail sada ni si ho. And I'm some be extension me ma me fi home no be 2 bedrooms self contained.
Wow.
Na me question. Nti no who say asudi no ebe to me so.
Right.
Say me pray. Well that struggles near can say me pray. Na me sheshe obrani ye.
If you get it wrong, you are in
Yes.
trouble.
Yes. Inti Mishishen was Aquana so.
Grandpa, yes, maybe most men they live their life in silence. Mema and Kasa, Mema into uncle for any more struggles. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, and I would say a member we are seen as heroes. Seen as Nipa, you wield the power and authority.
Okay.
They say, you're brutal. And any day, and a very man. Or very may be even no matter how quiet the person might be, or review anymore, per se, or the better to form. Ukraine mudium. Enti mermanya nipa waka wonin nsem echre ade ne hye ne ho a obemana hye ne ho a ne kum no ne pira no titiru so berma yare a
onka da
onka ne hye ne ho so berma ednisika okwa ahokyiri ma
onka
aye bigger thing
wow
onka da ema de obetimi aka kire obi
right
mema ne ntisa oni nyina fi asudi a onyankopon de to yanso enti no oberema susu se ode na hoden be pere aye biribi ompese ne ma anase ne yere be hu ni se osu anase obre saade no eye wo kwan be so na ne fa be nsu ne die ngawu ti se na wodi kankan ne Yesu kura osu esi ye hu ni se ye nipa na limited. We are weak, we are frail. Into no say one yes I didn't tum no one who limitations are.
If you say ebia nisika sema na
nisika sema anasa na juma akofom. Enti say mo frani obia ebia se nyame won adom na won so won asisubo won bra.
Yeah.
Okra de won fa wonya hwe.
Wow.
So wonya oyere papa.
Wow.
Obetumi akire mo frano kwan papa ese wo fa so na won agatra. A big challenge. Now, hono na ebre merma ase. So merma nisika na oba na ehwe na. Enko yiye. Emma oberma koma ntoni yam da. Saade no ewo yemu. Nyame na de wura ye ne mo. So oberma no ye provider. On na se ohwe. Wa hu se abrabo nyina se na mdi kankan no. Oberma no chichiri fi. Na akofa na yere ane ne ma betra ho. Woga didi won tade hye won suku ko any adwuma mo fran be sometimes ukura po merman bi ebo on homodin se wode won yere no kura be kosku ana so be padwuma bi ma won yere no capital
right
o yes ani me nyina ma emia no tumi nya ba bi gira
right
by the moment oberman be kofom pe na won yere fi sa initial investment oberman ye no and don't na so very much na so okai kai sane mana e goodness e brenase e breni sunsun mase enti ebetumi de say one onya obi ene na che na asem na wantu no fo ana say onya obi a oye nyamisroni na okwa sori ti nyame
se nyame
manase obe kofom sa ebi de be nsanom ebi de be wura me ai bia nse so okọ
ebi kra eku mo ho
ebi ku mo ho na kire se osusu se so okum no ho anasa nanso okum ho a na nsa efi na ha wono ayekase intino eyo how kase emerima se no kwan anyame fa so ye se otena se so oyo kristo ni kura po na so okon so hwemu a no kwasem ni se nyame asem inkura na obetumi akofom ebetumi aboto no na ade a eje yen ne se se oyo kristo ni unim nyame dia
right
onyankopon na nam ne nsem so chiche were
right
esane se ansa na obe konso hwemu no na wanhu nyame asem bi a wo no kra no wode ebo bra pen wanhu na se yehwe me who say a very man young first struggle in life.
Right.
Yeah. Now so bisa who say na wie ni hifam na do beko. Na wie ni hifam na do beko.
So when you hear say Japan nyina na here.
In dynamic say a man's ability to keep stronger ties with his maker is tantamount to losing his bearing in life.
So when to me, bear man to me, nene bofo, enya nkita hudia, na brabo eni bedane.
Eni bedane papa. Ezane say, bra Adam e free Eden Trumho. He lost the loving and comforting presence of God. Wow. Onyankopon do ene abotayem. Niema emma no komato ne yem no. Adam hwere sadien. Oluzu nyina. Oluzu control of his life.
Wow.
Enema bro no so afi ne eba no so ne wansusu ne eba no so. Ontimi nya ho hwe. Esan say that godly factor na kan ne bo na nkotumi transe no wa hwere ni nyina. We losing the dignity, oni eno nyam. We losing the fear, just a fear otim no Nyankopon apam na fi ho. A home.
The fear no.
And a shelter, baby, or didn't tito. Na duane obedi, nintari obeshe. And in Yama beer a him, strain, Emma, Asitani, and Nikano. Adam Shree.
Wow.
So I walk ye merima brabum. So what should we Yankopon tem?
Oh, she may be brave.
Oh, she may be brave. Just say, Unam Yasi qua. Unam Yasi qua. Nti, a hosem.
Remember, I say, make a meaning. Say, dear, cry, it is maybe an or tripping or here. Nay, when some is okay, get up. Obano is oh, it's okay, baby. Yeah, yes, you're Obano. And in Crano, primary school. Teacher is a boa bow, a brand of boa banwa song, or bonwa song. The man of bombs, yeah. The man of the abonos, oh, it's okay. Now, Grandpa, you know, how did Sir showing of emotion, expressing emotion, say, Mawa Tenkan Nedi, and Ma Obi Hunusawa. How did he shape you, and how did you manage disappointment, challenges in life without letting emotions overcome you? Oh, Grandpa! I said, Upia, Ajay, Maru, Musamu, say,
Overman to me.
That's my answer.
Yet I say, a man be grab on your master with them.
Hey,
a man be bone crew master with them.
Say, I don't know so
much with them. No, about the Jina one thing I know so very much. That is a man that idiom kunos will feel.
Right.
And you know, as I said, yes, I just say, Oberima in Sudia. Nansu at Rebia, as I say, who say, and you might be down also. As I say, who soon nama yaudini be
I know shit.
You who soon to a radiswa. Or no bit tea no be the amount.
Wow.
Say, Adaba Conos say, oh, your berry manas on which you send a can
you
will seek a semaco form.
You
Yaribi Boa.
You
what should baby what could do a berabonuma? Hina na catching. Hina pan of it me a bow, a you if you have him. Hina bu, say, no question is in Yamia Moa. When you better send it be any who bet me a bow. Obey you if you have now woman. Intinia, I made the man as a mission or how mean to me. And your here, no matter what Yami.
What James
If you say, Obrano, na shas if you didn't from hope and the struggles on the starting.
Yen,
and yet. Now, you're Yamia Simbi, Genesis 3.
Okay.
Like Genesis 3. verse 17 to 19.
Okay. Genesis 3, 17 to 19.
Yeah. Making kind of Osi. And to the man he said, since you listened to your wife and ate from the tree whose fruits I commanded you not to eat, the ground is cursed because of you. All your life will struggle to scratch a living from it.
Wow.
And you won't say struggle no ha.
And if you see,
Adam any Eve no. Na what I mean can we also it will grow thorns. Just as I know, it will grow thorns and thistles for you. Though you will eat of it grains. By the sweat of your brow, you will have food to eat until you return to the ground.
Wow. From
which you were made.
Wow.
For you were made from dust, and dust you will return.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm saying,
wow.
Oyanko say define abrabona mayen na chance pe. Fie di ntrom ha no define.
E no define enti obren de ho.
Obreno ahun. Abofra na da abobe 7 echi no nsore e na ma me kohwe na je se wewu. Oh.
Wow.
Na me kai senia me mami isu hona. Me say sa picture emfi madwene mu da. Na me start school here. Me need 5 years here. Enti ebra me de ne to me no. E ma me mama ti ne mama ye na. Mama no koti fi ai porch ne da ofi na ni no aba. No be se gunti so. Na mama so de say ye keso obi ye dramatica.
Now ye pa.
Osun pa. Enti se oba fi ma at the moment now, Betty I died with my son.
Wow. Wow.
I went into darkness, complete darkness. Let me name baby I'm a
wow.
Satam Nami walk Kumase.
Okay.
Me could trek ho. And me suffer Reverend Yakote Kwao. Or breaking news on the mommy. Na or custom the chairman I pay. Me who ye. Na isuma drume
na akra na nyi kakra
na wanyi na wa be ko university.
Wow.
Enti no isuma drume kase me nim na ekoso until say me nuanu moye me driver ne eyi ofre won oba me dem no wo don nsa be tu machi ansa na me ba.
Wow.
Me ba enkwam bibio na me nim bia mo sum kra my blank completely blank na neya me fee sa how no mu ne say no kwase bi ni me astra na me wo mu no me de nyame asema emu ye din no eno na ekita me
ena wole nam
ena me de nam enti o se osohwe bi nni ho a ato agise na ye nipa fam de onyankopon yo no kwafo se o ma won so won hwe entra wa ho den so wo bokwan bi ato ho ma no afam afie sene no nyam sansebo no sansem bi to say yes I walk through the valley of shadows of death
me na mo wusus me mo insuro
boni bi sansem no ye niam bi a na mi se de kura me enti oyi jese abofra wa ye monsa
ai
kase me wo fa ba ko ba o bundle sika de be share me nsem so kwasi je enti se wunya ni papa bi boa wo
etwa ho hia se bema.
Oh my god eboa me to the stand say ebre ye yini kura ne mensu because
eyi borno
eyi borno nyina afimi mu ma apostle wood kura ba yi na sibi
yeah papa so
yeah papa so be obeboy abaso say I didn't say onu grabo oye berima na oye sofo pani no grabo no ni nua kuma bi wu ya okwan ya ofa so toto no ho kine wo fie no na nya asem ketwa na adofo mehwe me maame ene ni nua merima no me uncles ene nipa na atwa me ho hia abusua eyi no so say that wo brempon bi yi inti no emma me rechichi ante yawo enti fisa abre na ba nyina no emma me refisa den me refisa no to nchire
we to tune na just grandpa I know they almost say a man they can respond well to support around them.
Yes.
Systems are area chom ho hia bia ne sofo ne yire ne ma ne busua na grandpa ya na ebi moa na moa how should the man respond? Unya sambo ana then I say way
no kwasem ni se wanya sambo ana obekoso abre obekoso abre agi se wo de hye wo mu
what si pise we dey meje mu
sa se se wankasa wantumi an hye wo ho den a ene di na kire se forma na obeko nti so osohwe to se yo berima apart from say nyame nkrofo
you
wankasa ufifo
you
ebi a oyere ene o ma betumi so mu no aboa wo no
you
ese se wankasa no so bo ho mo den se obehye ho den